Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a super cool 1978 El Camino. Clean Kentucky car, older body up restoration, but still super nice. Finally got some sun here guys. If it wasn't snowing, it was raining, so we kind of have a little break, so I'm going to try to knock this one out for you. Finished in antique white with Saturn gold metallic, Camel Velour interior, and it is slick. My dad's buddy Scott found this car for us, and he was driving it and said it just rolled out excellent. It's kind of hard here to drive right now. The roads are so wet and the salt, so we usually stay away from that. Not too much to nitpick on the car. Bumpers are nice. I believe they're original. Grill's nice. A couple little touch-up marks right here. Overall, really nice car. All your glass looks to be original. Another touch-up mark right here if you guys can see it. Tonneau cover's nice. Back bumper looks original as well. Couple little touch-up marks right here. Sorry guys, we're fighting some shadows off the roof. .235, 60, 18 rears, US mag chrome wheels. I tell you, it's got a killer stance to it. This color combo absolutely pops. .215, 16, 17s in the front. Couple little touch-ups, if you guys can see them. This is a factory L code 350 car, which I believe is pretty rare in these. Most of these were 305s with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory intake and exhaust manifolds, factory air cleaner, factory valve covers, factory AC. I do have to have that charged for you guys. We'll take care of it, no problem. Power front disc brakes, factory radiator with a shroud. Got Mike to help me today, so this video should be a little bit smoother than yesterday's. A little touch up right here. A little bit of cracking in there in your A-pillar. The interior on this car is gorgeous. Door seams are nice. Dual sport mirrors. The driver's side is remote. I love this color combo here. As you guys know, we do have mats coming. They're on the way. I think my dad got those ordered. He actually came in yesterday for a couple hours. So we'll have those for you guys. 99,638 on your odometer. Cruise control. Another little touch up right here. But I love this color combo, man. In the sun, it pops. Factory 10 bolt with rear sway bar. Dual exhaust. Rock solid under there. And as always, guys, you know, we have photos on the website, be underneath. If there's anything else you're missing, just give us a call, I'll get them for you. The interior is like new, it is absolutely killer. Sorry guys, we're fighting the shadows off our roof. I love this car. If it was a little nicer, I'd probably take it home and take my daughter to get ice cream in it. Fires right up. It's a little sweetheart. Turn the key, go the direction you want to go. Gauges seem to be working. We're doing this in one take to do today, guys. I think last time took me about 6, so we're getting better. All your lights work. Got great sound to it. Not overdone. Gas ped's real nice. AM/FM radio, Hurst shifter, radio works. Like I said, we'll have the air charge for you guys. Headliner's nice. Guys, you can check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. Click that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Like our Instagram page, our Facebook page, or give us a call 248-620-3355. Have a great day.